In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Xampp on Windows 10. Before we dive into this process, it's important to understand that Xampp is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package. It primarily consists of Apache HTTP server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for scripts written in the PHP and Perl programming languages. Xampp is a lightweight, easy to install package that makes hosting a local web server on Windows 10 simple and efficient. Now let's get started with the installation process. The very first step you need to take is to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Xampp and hit enter. This simple search will bring up the official Xampp page among the top results. Now go ahead and look for a link that leads you to the official Apache Friends website, which is the site where the Xampp package is hosted. Click on this link to proceed. Once you're on the Apache Friends website, you will see several different versions of Xampp available for download. Since we're installing this on a Windows 10 machine, you'll want to select the version that's designed specifically for Windows. The web page often automatically detects your operating system, so it might highlight the Windows download option for you. After selecting Xampp for Windows, the download should start automatically. If it doesn't, there should be a manual download link you can use. Now keep in mind that the size of the Xampp installer can be quite large, so you might need to wait a few minutes for the download to complete, depending on your internet speed. Be patient and let it download fully. When the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder or wherever your files are usually saved. You'll find the Xampp installer file there. Double click on this file to begin the installation process. You'll likely be prompted by user account control asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click yes to proceed. The Xampp setup wizard will now appear on your screen to guide you through the installation process. During this process, you'll be asked to select the components you want to install. It's typically recommended to go with the default settings unless you have specific requirements. Just keep clicking next and follow the prompts as they appear. The installation might take a few minutes, so just let it run its course. Once finished, you'll be prompted to start the control panel, which allows you to manage the individual components such as Apache and MySQL. And there you have it, you've successfully installed Xampp on your Windows 10 machine. It's now ready to be used for your web development projects. Thanks for watching and happy coding.